Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to play games on Discord. So let's get right into it. First of all, you have to go on a new tab where you will search Discord activity bot and then press enter. So just go with this second link, which is activities Discord bot, and then you have to go with invite this bot. Now you have to hit on authorize. Okay guys, once you're done with the captcha, then this type of pop-up you will see on your screen, and then you have to go back on your server, and here you will see this type of notification over the screen. And now what you have to do is you have to create a channel over here. That will be a voice channel, and here you have to write the name, channel name, and click on create. So I'm done with my channel, and here I will write / activity. So in activity you have to select your channel, and these are the games you can play over here. Just simply you have to select one of them, and then you have to hit on enter. So once you will receive this link, you have to click on it, and your game will be, you must be a better player over here, and then you will be able to play any of game over here. So that's it guys, how to play game on Discord. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.